Hello, dear viewers, and welcome to this month's episode of Immigration Talks. I am Nicole K., one of the visa advisors at Enhanced Visa. Filipinos have long been recognized and valued for their significant contributions to the global healthcare industry. With a strong reputation for dedication, compassion, and competence, Filipinos have become an important part of the healthcare systems around the world. From nurses to doctors, caregivers to medical technologists, Filipinos play a huge role in providing quality care and support to patients in various healthcare settings. Because of this, there is a global demand for Filipino healthcare professionals, and Canada is among the countries that are inviting Filipinos. And if you are a Filipino, you might be wondering how to move to Canada to be a successful healthcare professional. Fortunately for you, we will be talking about how to be one in Canada today. But before that, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to get the latest immigration updates from Enhanced Visa. And if you have been watching and learning a lot from our videos, feel free to hit that notification bell if you'd like to see more of our content. Got it? Great, let's begin. There are certainly a lot of good reasons that healthcare workers around the globe that want to excel in their careers would choose Canada as their destination. Canada's universal healthcare system, extensive research and innovation, and commitment to high-quality patient care. Canada's healthcare sector plays a vital role in the nation's development and well-being. As a result, the healthcare industry in Canada is consistently ranked among the top industries in the country, making Canada a top choice for healthcare workers. The healthcare industry in Canada provides significant benefits for Filipino healthcare workers. Here are several ways in which Filipino healthcare workers can benefit from the Canadian healthcare industry. The high demand for healthcare professionals means more opportunities for Filipino healthcare workers. Canada has a shortage of healthcare professionals, including nurses, physicians, and allied health workers. Filipino healthcare workers are highly valued in Canada for their excellent training, English language proficiency, and strong work ethic. The high demand for healthcare professionals in Canada increases the chances for Filipino healthcare workers to succeed in their careers and contribute to the Canadian healthcare system. Canada provides opportunities for Filipino healthcare workers to enhance their professional skills and advance their careers. The Canadian healthcare system encourages lifelong learning and offers several training programs and career advancement pathways. Filipino healthcare workers can pursue higher education, expand their knowledge, and advance their careers. In Canada, the skills and credentials of Filipino healthcare workers are recognized and respected. However, there may be some requirements and exams to meet before they can work in Canada. In addition, Filipinos can also choose to take further studies in a Canadian school to hone their skills and obtain the needed qualifications. Once these requirements are met, Filipino healthcare workers can practice their profession and contribute to the Canadian healthcare system. The cultural similarities and the use of English in both countries make it easier for Filipino healthcare workers to adapt and communicate effectively with patients and colleagues in Canada. This helps them adapt to the country more smoothly. Canada has immigration programs for skilled workers, including healthcare professionals like Filipino healthcare workers. This means that they have the chance to apply for permanent residency and eventually become Canadian citizens. This provides stability, access to benefits, and the possibility to bring their families to Canada. Working in the Canadian healthcare system allows Filipino healthcare workers to gain valuable international experience and expand their professional network. They can learn from diverse patient populations, collaborate with healthcare professionals from different backgrounds, and bring their unique expertise and perspectives to the Canadian healthcare landscape. This global experience and network can benefit Filipino healthcare workers in their future endeavors, whether in Canada or other countries. These benefits help Filipino healthcare workers have a fulfilling and successful career in Canada's diverse and strong healthcare system. By this time, you're probably excited to move to Canada as soon as possible. However, like most Filipinos that are aspiring to work as healthcare professionals in Canada, you can face a lot of challenges before you find success in the country. This begs the question: how to be successful as a healthcare professional in Canada? The answer to that is to study abroad. Why is this so? The healthcare industry in Canada offers numerous benefits to international students pursuing healthcare-related studies who are seeking to excel in the industry. However, even if you are a registered nurse in the Philippines, it is still not a guarantee. You will only have a higher chance for success if you take further studies and receive the benefits offered to the graduates of a reputable school in Canada. These benefits can greatly enhance their career prospects and contribute to a rewarding professional journey. For instance, becoming an international student gives you reputation and recognition. Canadian healthcare professionals and institutions have a strong reputation globally, and a Canadian education in healthcare carries significant credibility. Employers worldwide value the quality of education and training received by healthcare international students in Canada, which can give them a competitive edge once they graduate. Next is work experience opportunities. Many healthcare programs in Canada offer practical work experience components, such as clinical placements or internships, as part of their curriculum. These opportunities allow international students to gain hands-on experience in Canadian healthcare settings, familiarize themselves with industry practices, and develop valuable skills that can enhance their employability. Then, students will have networks and connections. Studying in Canada provides international students with opportunities to network with professionals, faculty members, and fellow students in the healthcare field. Building connections during their studies can lead to mentorship, references, and potential job leads. In addition to that, students will also have the opportunity to obtain post-graduation work permits or PGWPs. International students who complete their healthcare studies in Canada are eligible for PGWPs. PGWPs allow students to work in Canada for a period of time after graduation, typically ranging from 1 to 3 years depending on the length of their program. This enables them to gain valuable work experience and establish themselves in the Canadian healthcare system. Being an international student also increases your chance of obtaining permanent resident status in Canada. Canada offers various immigration pathways for skilled workers, including those in healthcare professions. International students who gain work experience in Canada may be eligible to apply for permanent residency through programs such as the Provincial Nominee Program or PNP. Obtaining permanent residency opens up further career opportunities and provides a pathway to citizenship. And lastly, having the international student experience enhances your cultural competency and ability to provide inclusive and patient-centered care, which is valued in an increasingly globalized healthcare landscape. Due to the fact that studying and experiencing Canada's diverse healthcare system exposes international students to a wide range of patient populations and healthcare challenges. If you are currently a registered nurse in the Philippines, I'm sure you are excited to hone and display your skills in Canada's healthcare industry. Well, we have great news for you. Enhanced Visa exists to assist you from the start of your journey as an international student, from the Philippines all the way to Canada, and even until you become successful in your career. Enhanced Visa will not only guide you in your visa application process, but will stay by your side until you are properly settled in the land of opportunities. To ensure that you will achieve great things in Canada, the company will help you find the best pathway that's best suited for you. All these are made possible with the help of our partner, EV Workforce Solutions, which is based in Canada and sets its goal in helping thousands of Filipinos in the country. The company is partnered with hundreds of companies, many of which are from the healthcare sector. Through this, international students can be assured of a bright future while they are studying in a reputable school in Canada. In a nutshell, the demand for healthcare workers in Canada is high, and they are looking for Filipinos to fill in the labor shortage. With Enhanced Visa's help, opportunities in Canada's healthcare sector are yours to take. Lastly, if you are a professional from a different industry, such as information technology, construction, engineering, finance, and many more, many opportunities also await you in Canada. If you'd like to be partnered with us in your immigration journey, we've linked our eligibility form in the description. Feel free to fill it out for a free assessment from Enhanced Visa. If you are a Filipino needing assistance with your Canadian immigration or study visa application, feel free to contact me using any of the details flashed on the screen right now. And this, dear viewers, concludes today's video. If this video piqued your interest or you have any questions, feel free to let us know in the comments or add me on Facebook at facebook.com/NicoleK.enhancedvisa. Let's stay connected and see you in our next video. Bye!